G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is a quick install for the new Sprite 7-stage shower filter shower head with shower hose. Okay, so situation is good old 1/2 inch BSP Australian thread coming out of the wall, plumber's tape. Just going to put a couple of wraps around here. Just quickly wrap him around, put it on clockwise so it locks on when you install the headpiece. And the first part that goes on is the holder, okay? And it does have a washer inside, but I just put a little bit of thread tape on there for extra protection. Make sure that it seals up nicely for us, okay? So first thing, screw this part on, tight as we can. And that will just about do us. Beautiful. Okay, that's that one. Then we've got the hose. Okay, couple of protector caps on the ends. Take those off. Okay, the one with the nut, that's what's going to connect up onto the holder. There's a little black washer that fits inside. So we nip the washer inside, no need for thread tape. We're going to screw them straight on. If you ever have a leak around here or anything like that, feel free to apply some thread tape, no problem at all. Do him up tight, it's good to go there. Get our second washer, put him in, push it into the base firm, okay. And then we're going to put our shower head on, okay? See a little sticker on the bottom there? You can just pull that off. Just a bit of keep it clean during transportation, etc. And we're simply going to screw the shower hose straight onto the shower head. Okay. Now what I like to do, hold him up here in position and just make sure the hose is okay. Sometimes you might want to spin the hose so that it hangs nice and neat when you're finished installing it, okay? All right, that's not too bad for us today. We tighten him up, bracelets on, push him down in the holder, bend him down to the desired height, and there we go. It's as simple as that. Fully installed, ready to go. Thanks very much.